Which inequality does the shaded region of this graph down here, this gray in shaded region, represent? One of these four equations here, one of these four inequalities. All right, 2x minus 3y, that's the same in all four of them, but it's less than or equal to 6, greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to negative 6, greater than or equal to negative 6. Notice these two have a 6, and these two have a minus 6. So if I pick a point on the graph, say the y-intercept, that's the point 0, what, negative 2? And I use my 2x minus 3y, which is in all four inequalities, and see if I get a 6 or a minus 6. Let me show you. In place of x here, we're going to have 2 times something and 3 times something. In place of x, we plug in the 0, minus 3 times a minus 2. That's 0, and this is plus 6. So we want the answer that involves a 6, not these two. These have a minus 6. So now we're dealing with answer A or B. Okay? Is it less than 6 or greater than 6? Less than or equal to or greater than or equal to? Now, we'll pick a point, another point, the origin. I always like the origin. The problem with the origin here is it's not part of the shaded region. But if we'll find one of these two that the origin works for it, then we can eliminate that one. Because the origin's not supposed to be part of the answer, is it? Okay. So my origin is 0, 0. And let's use the first inequality, the one with less than. If we get a true statement with the origin, well, we shouldn't. We want, because the origin's not part of the answer. Plug in 0 and 0. Okay. Is 0 here less than 6? Well, yes, it is. Okay. So, but it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. The origin shouldn't work, but it does. The origin shouldn't work, but it does. Should not work, but it does. We're going to have to eliminate this one because it shouldn't have worked. The only thing left to do is to pick a point down here and test it in the second inequality. So let's pick an easy point, not the origin this time. Pick 5, 0 and test it to see if it works on answer B, because I already know A is out. Okay, so here we go. 5, 0. 2 times 5 minus 3 times 0. Okay, is this larger than or equal to 6? Is 10 minus 0 or plus, it doesn't matter because it's 0. Minus 0 plus 0. Is that larger than 6? Is 10 larger than 6? It sure is. Okay, so this is a big yes. Okay, we eliminated A and we found out B does work. So of my four choices, I pick B.